How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sammy BAYA. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you. That's the title of this video. Dealing with a narcissist can be challenging, and it is important to approach this situation with care and consideration for your own well-being. While the idea of making a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you might seem appealing, it's very important to recognize that narcissists often have a different perspective on relationships and emotional connections. Remember, a narcissist is a selfish, self-centered, self-absorbed, egocentric, egotistic individuals. They focus on me, 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 me. It's always about their own needs. Narcissists, they lack empathy. They use, then discard you. They need constant attention, constant admiration, constant validation from you. Their main mission is to hurt you, to punish you, to control you. Now, if you need to make this narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, number one, focus on self-improvement. For example, take up new hobbies or skills. If you start learning a new language, or for instance, excel in a new sport, the narcissist may notice your growth and they'll feel regretful about missing out on your evolution. The other thing to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you is to set healthy boundaries. For example, clearly define what is acceptable and unacceptable in your interactions. By maintaining boundaries, you show that you respect yourself, which can make them reconsider their behavior. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, exhibit confidence. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem. A narcissist is often drawn to confident people, so displaying your confidence can make them regret their decision to leave you. You can also develop independence. Start making decisions on your own and rely less on the narcissist's approval. This independence can show them that you are thriving without them, possibly making them reconsider their choice. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, create emotional distance. For example, reduce contact and avoid emotional displays when interacting with them. This can create a sense of mystery and might make them miss the emotional connection you once had. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, build a support system. Strengthen relationships with friends and family. A strong support system can make you more resilient and less dependent on the narcissist's validation. You can also focus on your goals. For example, pursue career or personal goals with dedication. Demonstrating success and ambition can be appealing and make the narcissist question their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, show resilience. Handle challenges with grace and perseverance. Show that you can overcome difficulties without their support. This can highlight your strength and independence. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, improve your appearance. Take care of your health and appearance. Sometimes looking your best can attract attention and make someone reflect on what they are missing. Also, stay positive. Maintain an optimistic outlook and avoid dwelling on the past. A positive attitude can make you more attractive and show that you are thriving without them. You can also engage in social activities. Attend social events and gatherings. Seeing you actively engaging in social circles can make them realize you are moving forward and enjoying life. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, highlight your strengths. Share your accomplishments and skills in an unbragging way. This can subtly remind them of the qualities they might miss. Also, avoid complaining. Don't dwell on negative aspects or complain about the past relationship. Focus on positive aspects of your life. This can make you seem more attractive. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be respectful. Treat them with respect, even if they don't reciprocate. This can highlight your maturity and might make them regret their behavior. Stay busy. Fill your schedule with activities and commitments. Being busy can give the impression that you are leading a fulfilling life without them. Also, try to cultivate new relationships. For example, form new friendships and relationships. Seeing you connect with others can make them reflect on their own loss. Be emotionally stable. Demonstrate emotional control and maturity. Emotional stability can be appealing and might make the narcissist regret leaving someone who is emotionally balanced. You can also seek professional help. Consider therapy or counseling to work through your emotions. This can help you build resilience and demonstrate that you are actively working on personal growth. Show gratitude. Express gratitude for the good times you shared. This can show maturity and might make them reflect on the positive aspects of the relationship. Be yourself. Stay true to your values and personality. Authenticity can be attractive and might make them reconsider their decision to leave someone genuine. Also, to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, avoid being available all the time. Limit your availability and avoid being overly eager to please. This can make them reconsider the value of your presence in their life. Practice self-care. For example, engage in activities that promote your well-being, like meditation or exercise. Taking care of yourself can show that you are thriving and content on your own. Show emotional intelligence. Handle interactions with thoughtfulness and empathy. Emotional intelligence can be compelling and might make them miss the depth of your connection. Engage in personal development. Take courses or workshops that interest you. Personal development can showcase your growth and might make them question their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be supportive to others. Show kindness and support to friends and family. Demonstrating your nurturing side can remind them of the supportive role you played in their life. Celebrate your achievements. Share your successes and milestones. Celebrating your achievements can make them reflect on the positive impact you had in their life. Avoid negative communication. For example, keep interactions polite and avoid arguing. Positive communication can leave a lasting impression and might make them reconsider their actions. Create new memories. Engage in activities that create new positive experiences. Making new memories can help you move on and show that you are capable of finding joy without them. You can also show ambition. Pursue professional or personal goals with enthusiasm. Ambition can be attractive and might make them reconsider their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, cultivate emotional independence. Work on relying less on external validation. Emotional independence can be empowering and might make them realize what they are missing. You can also practice forgiveness. Let go of resentment and focus on your own healing. Forgiveness can be liberating and show that you are moving forward positively. Be mysterious. Occasionally keep some aspects of your life private. A sense of mystery can make you more intriguing and might prompt them to think about you more. Engage in creative outlets. Explore artistic or creative activities like painting or writing. Creativity can be a powerful way to express yourself and might catch their attention. Show empathy towards others. For example, demonstrate understanding and compassion in your interactions. Empathy can highlight your emotional depth and might make them regret their decision. Pursue your passions. To make a narcissist miss you, engage in activities you're passionate about. Pursuing your passions can show that you are living a fulfilling life and might make them feel they missed out. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, maintain your integrity. For example, stay true to your values and principles. Integrity can be a powerful trait that might make them reflect on their actions. Focus on personal growth. Set and achieve personal development goals. Personal growth can be a strong indicator of your thriving life and might lead them to reconsider their decision. Be generous with praise. Offer genuine praise to others. Generosity can be a reminder of your supportive nature and might make them miss your positive reinforcement. Show strength in adversity. Handle challenges with resilience and courage. Demonstrating strength can be impressive and might make them regret their departure. Create positive change. Work on making positive changes in your life. Transformations can be noticeable and might prompt them to reflect on what they are missing. So to make a narcissist miss you, avoid being a doormat. Stand up for yourself and assert your needs. Not being a doormat can show that you value yourself and might make them regret their treatment of you. To make a narcissist miss you, highlight your unique qualities. Emphasize what makes you unique and special. Your distinctive qualities can remind them of the value you brought to their life. Engage in community activities. For example, participate in community service or local events. Being involved in your community can make you appear more fulfilled and might make them reconsider their choice. Showcase your skills, display your talents and expertise in various areas. Showcasing your skills can be a reminder of your capabilities and might prompt regret. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, maintain a balanced life. Balanced work, social life, and personal interests. A well-rounded life can be appealing and might make them think about the stability you provided. Avoid drama. Keep interactions calm and drama-free. Avoiding drama can show maturity and might make them reflect on the chaotic nature of the past relationship. Be open to new experiences. Embrace new opportunities and experiences. Being open to change can show that you are adaptable and might make them think about what they are missing. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, foster new connections. Now, This is all about building relationships with new people, create new connections that can highlight your social capabilities and might make them regret the absence. Again, try to display authenticity, be genuine in your interactions and self-expression. And that way the narcissist will miss you and regret leaving you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video widely to all those who may need it. Remember, knowledge is power. Information is power. And learning is a superpower. Thank you. God bless you.